I'm back with cleaning my car. So where do I begin? There's been a lot of changes these past few months. I got a full-time job in IT, switched from full-time to part-time school. My OG workhorse of a computer decided it really didn't want to be a computer anymore. And I got some goodies for the Saab. But really, I took a lot of time to think. It led me down a road where none of you Saab fans would dare venture into. The dreaded road where you think of selling your car.
Give me the fucking car. My chance of getting us that car just went out the window. I'm getting banned.
I looked at how much work my car needed to make it the way I like and questioned whether it was worth it or not and how much it's been costing me. After 4 years of ownership and 40,000 daily driven miles, here's some things that are wrong with it. There are scratches, dings, and dents everywhere. A broken door pull. Rust beginning to plague the car. Plenty of faults from a failing ECU to a slow shifting transmission. The suspension needs an overhaul. And now the subframe looks like a crustacean I pulled from the Titanic wreckage. It doesn't seem like much, but with how busy my schedule has been, I haven't really had time to maintain the Saab. But recently something happened that made me change my mind and I love the car even more. The snowstorm a few weeks ago brought along a lot of snow and extremely cold conditions the car hasn't seen since 2019. I made the most of it and drove the living hell out of it, really living up to its rallying heritage, drifting through the snow-plastered streets with the tail hanging out. It was the most fun I've had in a long time. It made me think about how this car has been there through everything the past 4 years, from finishing high school, starting college, many jobs, relationships, the good and the bad. I can't really give up on it. So here's my New Year's resolution, continuing to make Saab content and pushing the boundaries of my amateur mechanic knowledge. I want to make something out of this Saab, nothing half-assed. I also want to welcome and thank all the new subscribers that joined in the past few months. We went from 120 to almost 190 subs. That's just insane. But enough of this sappy shit. Let's see what we can do in 2023. Again, thank you all very much for watching.